Welcome to Alone Business Channel. This time we will create an action using color halftones. It is distributed free of charge to a limited number of people. Please try to use it. Duplicate the image. The shortcut keys are Ctrl and J. Set the opacity to 30. Filter. Pixelate. Color halftone. Enter 20 for max radius. Enter 120 for all channels. Add curves. Edit the graph. Group them. We have created a color halftone action. Click Load Action to load it. Just click to apply it. It is beneficial, and we hope you will find it helpful.
Thank you for watching the video to the end. My goal is to increase my channel subscribers. Your help will help. Please subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video.